So there's also some load management. I guess here in the Smikers turf. First point of the opening set going to Lloyd Josafat.
Goes the opposite, Steven Rother, but now Lloyd Josafat.
Meantime, Peter Kell picking up where he left off. Knocking in his first point of the game.
Isa sa mga aasahan to dito ng Navy dahil wala nga sila Greg Dolor.
HD Spikers. Great pass by Kalingking. Suarez. Kell is rejected by Josafat. Jacob picked up by Retamar. Ramirez finds the mark, the quarter pocket. The Griffins, after scoring 17 points against the Insurance Protectors, he only mustered, like what Yos mentioned, 8 points. Rother down the line, got it.
Rother there with a down the line hit. Ito naman, this is mga top scorer din talaga.
Owa Retamar, the former Bulldog. Nice hit by Peter Kell, kept alive by Ramirez. Here comes Abrot. And Vince Abrot, very aggressive, just like Josafat here in the opening set. Kalingking with a pass. Karangian gets it off the arm of Rother.
Good spike there by Karangian. Kitang-kita niya kasi nakapasok yung kamay dito ni Rother. At single block service.
At least 4 errors on the serve already for the HD Spikers. There's a nice block. Bugawan just returning to the game, shutting down Jacob.
Better block position there by Signal. Sa pwesto lang mabuti. Alam lang pupuntahan dito ng
The 2025 FIVB Men's World Championship tickets are now available. Go to the website, Philippines WCH 2025/about/tickets and get yours now. First set action continues. A 4-point lead for the red shirts. Vince Abrot with a nice drop. Pagulong, his first touch. Triple block against him. Ramirez goes to Menoncia, who punches it through.
Finally, medyo nabubuhayin na dito ang Navy with that rally. Wala, medyo nagkagulo ang blockers doon ng Signal, humabol, but medyo na-late.
Nice looking serve from Bugawan. Ramirez, Pagulong, catches the line.
But inside, good combination play for a
game. 14 serving 17. Ramirez with a pass. Rother, got it.
What a hit there by Steven Rother. Ang tikit sa net nung nung back row hit. Kala mo pinalo talaga ng front row. Kalingking was yung atake nila, and also 7 out of 19 ang atake nitong Navy.
Jacob looking for back-to-back points. Jacob pops it up, so Suarez with the easy over. Retamar, piston play, and Ramirez catches the sideline.
With the sapat with 2 points already.
Jacob, single man blocked by Louis Ramirez.
Set was a bit too close to the net for Jacob. Napa-timeout ulit dito si Coach George Pascua.
It is now the biggest lead at, when I say that, I mean they're working on their promotion as Navy men. Jacob, that is popped up, nice dig coming from Abrot, battle at the net, nice push from Ramirez. Jacob again, went long and catches the line. Terrific shot by Jacob. Silang, also a former FEU player. A lot of FEU connections in this game between the two teams. As Jason Uy going cross-court and scores it. On the floor, you've got Domingo Suarez, former Tamaraos. On the other side, you've got JP Bugawan. You've got Sean Silang, former Tamaraos as well. Suarez, back row. Jacob, denied again. Ramirez with his second straight. Herald Domingo. Short pass from Vince Lorenzo. Ronquillo. Oh, and it was just an easy over from JM Ronquillo that turned into the winning point.
Wala sa pwesto doon yung depensa dito ng PGJC Navy. Si Domingo lumagpas And Easy hit there from Jen Ronquillo. Scored 3 points, under points as well. Kaya kita-kita natin yung ball distribution din talaga ni Retamar, no?
Running attack, Peter Kiel. Abrupt with a solo man block.
And a good read there by Abrot. Kaya nakarami din talaga ng puntos itong si Abrot. And that was his...
HD Spikers playing very relaxed today. For them, win or lose, they're going to the semifinals. This is Peter Kiel. Finally gets the first attack point of the Sea Lions in set number 2.
Finally, Peter Kiel. Activate dito ni step up more in this game.
Retamar to Vince Abrot down the line. Yes.
And still, sa dami ng options dito nitong si Owa Retamar. Hindi mo talaga alam kanino pupunte. Merong Steven Roter sa harap, merong Louie Ramirez.
Trailing by 4. Jacob and the Sea Lions are within 1. Roter, back row. And this time, he does not miss. The set, like what Yos was saying, Karangyaan with a great serve. Piston play, and Roter again drilling that one in.
No blockers there for Steven Roter. And of course, once again, the ball distribution pa rin talaga.
Points for Roter, 4 in the first, 4 in the second. Jacob. Retamar, that save no good.
But a good response there.
In the lineup.
A lefty middle blocker for Navy.
Jacob, denied again. Now the biggest lead for the HD Spikers at 5 points.
Still, the coverage of Navy. Alam natin, malakas boom block itong signal eh. Kaya dapat itong Navy, aabangan at aabangan nila yung ilan, no? Hindi kasi importante kailangan maka-kill block itong PGJC Navy. But yun nga, no, yung timing Navy.
Service fault by Liberato. And this is going to be an off-system play. In fact, an easy over by Minoncia. Owa Retamar back to Roter. That is popped up by Suarez, so Kalingking will set it up for Jacob. Denied again. I mean, the HD Spikers really did their homework on Jacob. They have almost practically shut him down today.
Two-man block there with
short pass there coming from Ramirez. Ronquillo is blocked by Castel. So the first block of the game coming in the second set for the Sea Lions.
Better late than never for PGJC Navy. That soft attack there by Ronquillo.
Casanya to Ronquillo. Jason Uy pops it up. Ramirez delivers to Castel. What a dig from Lorenzo. Pagulong. Ramirez trying to save it. Successful. But that's going to be 4 touches against the HD Spikers.
Another good serve.
Ronquillo against a single block. Gets the side out.
JM Ronquillo from De La Salle University.
What a pounding serve from Ramirez. Castel. The dig by Lorenzo. Here comes Abrot. And Vince Abrot gives the HD Spikers a 9-set point advantage.
Good hit there once again from Vince Abrot.
That's an ace for the win in set number 2 by Louie Ramirez. A bigger margin to end the second set. Now a 10-point win for the HD Spikers. Here's a nice angle on that service ace.
Side spin for Louie Ramirez. Kanina medyo madaming errors, but
will just signal the beginning of their semifinals that will start on Sunday. Ronquillo, that is popped up by Kalingking. Set number 3 is underway, and Peter Kiel gets the first point.
Medyo tahim kanina eh. Si Peter Kiel, kaya medyo nilabas sa kanya ni Coach George para makapagpahinga ng konti. But now, Louie Ramirez activating block.
Martin Bugawan, what a dig coming from Alfred Pagulong. Here's a chance ball. Martin Bugawan on the second attempt puts it away.
Of course, still the ball distribution of Owa Retamar. Talagang napapagalaw ang blockers dito at ang depensa ng Navy. Portion ng set. Nakapuntos din siya eh.
Valbuena with a good pass.
Ooh.
Mabawi ang HD Spikers. Martin Bugawan. That's practically the same play. Copied move per move by the HD Spikers.
Pinabawi agad itong ni Retamar si Bikwik.
Menoncia with the pass. Ooh. Peter Kell rejected Jason Uy. Pushes it. Sandy Montero with the pass. Bugawan again. Back-to-back points for Martin Bugawan.
Yung ano dito.
Montero passing from the back row. Valbuena knocks it in, and that'll take us to our first technical timeout. A 4-point cushion.
Now we have for JP, that is 4 points, 2 attacks, and 2 blocks. Meanwhile, Peter Kell here attained 5 attack points. Again, that is our poll question, and we want to hear more from you via our social media. But now let's turn it over back to our panel.
All right, thank you, Denise. What a block there by Ronquillo after the terrific 5-point lead. HD Spikers now in double digits. Oh, great pass by Ramirez, and Bonjamar Castel knocks it in.
Yun yung kailangan din dito ng Navy eh. Better reception.
Here in set number 3. What a high toss for Ramirez. Pagulong with a great pass. Running attack for Castel. The set wasn't ideal. Ooh.
Overset.
An odd play there. Menoncia is blocked, and it bounced off his shoulder. Awesome defense at the net once again. 0-0. And right now up by 7. What a service ace again. Louie Ramirez is feeling it.
Yun yung kailangan din nila dito ng signal. Yung mga ganitong klase ng services. Kailangan pakawalan. Hindi na kailangan pahirapan pa. Mga
great pass. Ramirez gets it back, bounces it off the net, and still able to score.
Almost a chance there for Navy with that hit from Louie Ramirez. Sumabit na sana sa net eh. But malate ng konti.
They're up 2-0. Casanya with a serve. Menoncia, nice pass. Peter Kell. Ronquillo pushes it against Uy. Menoncia blocked.
Ooh. But no cover as compared to a 1 block point itong Navy. And service ace, 5 service aces for Signal, none for Navy.
Montero passes Martin Bugawan. That is partially blocked by Peter Kell. Menoncia, two-handed push, blocked again. Nothing going through.
Alfred Valbuena, 4 points.
Montero with a great dig. Casanya keeping it alive. Valbuena will send it over. So a chance ball here. Ramirez sets it up. Combination play. Uy. What a save by Valbuena. So another chance ball for the Sea Lions. Pagulong. Montero with a dig. Now a chance to attack. Ramirez pushes, but a nice block up top by the Sea Lions.
What a sequence there. Good digs, but good block there by PGJC Navy. What a hit there by Pagulong, but Montero's there.
Short pass coming from Valbuena.
At that point.
Ramirez. Pagulong. Off a combination play. One of the cleanest hits from the Sea Lions in the entire match.
That's right. Once again, Alfred Pagulong. Actually, kanina meron na din tayo nakitang ganyang combination play for Alfred Pagulong. Kaya nga lang,
oh, that could have been a double on Ramirez. He got away with it. A chance ball here for the Sea Lions. Pagulong with a nice drop shot.
Good read there by Pagulong.
Even Ramirez is smiling about it. He knew he got away with one.
But another good play there.
There are 10 more. For the HD Spikers. They can put it away right here. Valbuena with a push. Jason Uy pops it up. Chance to attack Pagulong. And another match point save. All right, back.
Another point.
Ramirez can put it away right here. Not just yet. Jason Uy pops it up. Here's Menoncia. Montero with the dig. Ramirez, drop shot, and that'll do it.
Lahat nakaabang sa atake nitong si Louie Ramirez. But a good decision there with that drop hit.
And the HD Spikers, as expected, the heavy favorites coming into this matchup. Coming up with a win. They gave up 2 match points, but on the third try, Louie Ramirez finally putting the